In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your search engine to Yahoo on the Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar and then go down and select Settings. Select the Search tab up at the top. And where it says Search Engine, click the drop down and select Yahoo. Please note this does not change your home page. This is just merely the search engine at the top address bar. And you can also opt to use it in private browsing mode by keeping this option checked. Close out of here to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.